Holy. All right, welcome to Bar Harbor. Chris Popper here. I'm with
Everett.
And there we are, and we are getting ready for Santa's arrival. I was driving down from Bangor to get ready for the basketball game, and I saw this red something blinking in the sky, and I had no idea what it was. But I followed it here to Bar Harbor, and sure enough, Santa is getting ready to arrive, and you can see all the children getting ready. Are you ready for Santa to come? You're ready? You've had some cocoa? Oh, you should see the village green is all full of people, and they're just waiting for Santa to arrive. He should be here very, very shortly. I think he's coming on a fire truck tonight. Are you ready for Santa? Are you ready? Are you on the Santa's good list? Oh, I hope so. So this should be exciting. The children right here. Have you had some hot cocoa? No? Are you staying warm? Have you had some cookies? All right, you got your blanket. We're all ready for Santa's arrival. Should be coming shortly. I hope. We'll see. Should be coming any moment. I hope. Let's come over here. We'll see some of the cocoa and everything. Hello. Have you been passing out cocoa? Have you been? You're trying to get on Santa's good list? All right, excellent. Bribery is always good. Lots and lots of kids here waiting for Santa. Everybody's being good. Trying to stay warm and get on Santa's good list. So it won't be long and Santa will be arriving. Hi, excuse me. Hello. I love your glow. You're blinking. You look like Rudolph's nose. Perfect. This lady's got Rudolph antlers on. Excellent. Now, I know our friends from the Chamber of Commerce. You've been decorating, Everett. Tell us what's happening down here tonight.
Sure. So Santa's going to arrive. We read it's the night before Christmas. We'll get to light Christmas. And then we have some activities going on at the YMCA. So we have the Just Like Library there, Santa Church,
Summer Festival of the Arts, yep.
And the YMCA is doing activities along with taking photos with Santa. So fun night of adventures. And then for anybody looking for the holiday shopping, we have 20 businesses downtown offering deals.
And of course, there's a half-price park.
There is, so you definitely want to get the pass while you can. We have a number in our visitor center. We're open until 10 o'clock tonight.
Okay, excellent. Waiting. Are you on Santa's good list? That's the question.
Oh, we'll see.
We'll see. All right. All right, Santa should be coming any moment. We're waiting. Waiting for Santa. You can see the fire station's all lit up. They've got red and green balls on the fire station. Very festive. All right, we're waiting for Santa. Santa should be coming. Oh, Santa's here. Oh, my word. Wow, Santa snuck in. He didn't come via a fire truck. He snuck in. I think right here. Santa's going to do some reading.
Hello, Bar Harbor. How are you? It's so great to see all of you tonight on this nice warm night, huh? I love coming to Bar Harbor every time of year this year. The reindeer get to have a chance to see their cousins in the Katy National Park. Mrs. Twas and the elves at the shop in Bar Harbor. I get to speak a lobster roll. I love it. I see you have a beautiful, beautiful tree for me to light tonight. And then after we're done there, my friends down at the YMCA have been inviting everybody to come down. There's crafts from FOA and Hannaford, and some books from the Twas. So please join us down there, and I'll be there as well. Who's here to see a tree lighting tonight? Have you all been presents here? All right. So, when I come here, I always like to sing the read a poem that's written about you for the night before Christmas. Before we do that, what I'd like to do is I'd like to tree. So can you all help me? All right. How about we start? Do we want to start from 100? No? Okay. From 1? That's 5? All right. Let's go from 5, okay? Ready? 5.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey!
Now, who wants to hear it for the night before Christmas? Was the night before Christmas, when all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney was there, and post that,
St. Nicholas.
the children were nestled, all snug in their beds, while the visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. And Mama, your kerchief, and I, my cap, had just settled down for a long weekend. When out on the lawn there rose such splendor, I sprang to my bed. What was the matter? Away to the window I flew like a flash. Here opened the shutters that broke the glass. The moon on the breast of the new fallen snow is the luster of midday. What if I wondered
Very good.
when ministers say in the little old father, I knew the moment. He goes his horses and came, and he whipped it and shouted. Are you ready? Now
Dasher, now dancer, now constant.
On common, on Cupid, on Donner, to the top of the horse, to the top of the wall. Now Joshua passed away along. And dry leaves before the waters and fly, and the meat made up still melt. So what should I have thought before she was free? With a face of the and St. Nicholas too. And then in the twinkling I heard on the roof the praising and calling of each little fish. As I drew in my hand and was turning around, down the chimney St. Nicholas came around. He was dressed all in furs from his head to his foot, and his clothes were like harness and after his foot. A bundle of toys he had flung on his back, and he looked like a pillow that opened in his back. His eyes are like ripples, his dimples how merry. His cheeks are like roses, his nose is like his gold little mouth was drawn up at the bone, and the beard on his chin is white as the snow.
Hey.
The stump of a bite he untied his teeth, and his throat was everything. his broad face and his little round belly shook when he laughed. He was chubby and plump and went jolly around, and I laughed when I saw him in spite of myself. A wink of his eyes and a twist of his head soon made me to know I had nothing to dread. He spoke not a word when he spoke to his work. I filled all his stockings and burned with a jerk. Then laying a finger aside of his nose and giving a nod, a pretending he rose. He sprang to his sleigh, to his team in the window, and away they all flew like a down of a pistol. But I earned him his praise ere he drove out of sight. Merry Christmas to all, and I love that story. And what a beautiful scene this evening. So now I'm going to head down to the YMCA. So if anybody would like to see me, you can come down there and subscribe and everything. And Merry Christmas to all. Good night, my harbor.
Hello, Santa. Hold on, we gotta go for a little selfie here. If I figure out how to do this. I don't know. Hold on, I'll just get you. There we go, Santa.